All right, what's up, guys? So I wanted to do this weekly segment where we go over all the new improvements that we've made to LocalRank and kind of the new features that we're planning to add in the upcoming week, and then kind of go over LocalRank's mission. So let's start with some of the new features, and the first one is we added this credits history. So if you go to the homepage and then you click on this little tab here, and then you click on credits history, you'll be able to see all of the scans that you've done and all of the credits that it's taken. So this will give a lot more visibility to how many credits you have left and how many credits it took for that particular scan. So this is for the rank tracker, and then if you want to add more credits, as always, you can go to billing, and then you can just go to manage subscription and change to a newer plan to add more credits. One of the things that we were thinking about adding is the ability to add one-time purchases for the credits, but that's something we'll add if more people want it. So let's move on to the next feature, which is we've added this slash games page. So if you guys go to the dashboard, you'll see this component here, which is the games thing that we started, which is basically where we have 15 people that are trying to scale their agency from 0 to 10K, and all of it is live on our YouTube. So if you go to our YouTube, most of the content is actually in the shorts. So these guys are posting daily videos, and you guys can see all of their content here. And then we have this page, also local rank games, on the sidebar that will kind of track how much MR and clients that they've gotten. We also have the localrank.so/games, and this is just the public facing like leaderboard that we also have. So this guy Ryan is at almost 3K, so that's pretty good because we started this around like 3 days ago. So yeah, this guy's doing the best, and then we have all these other contestants that are going to be posting daily videos. So yeah, this will be really good content for you guys. And then the next thing is we've added 50 more citations to the current network. So basically in LocalRank, what you can do is you can add your business, right? And then when you add your business, you can create the citations. So obviously you go to slash citations. So the citations tab here, click on that, and then you can add your business. And then once you add your business, what you can do is basically you go in and you can create the citations, right? So before it was 200 citations, but one of the things that we added is we added 50 more domains to the network. So you can see that if you previously already created a citation, then it will actually automatically add the new domains to your list. So it's totally free for the people that have already created citations, and for the people that are going to be creating new citations, it's automatically going to create 250 citations. So yeah, that's added, and it won't cost you guys anything extra. I'm trying to find an example where it's still pending, but like some of the businesses we're still rolling it out slowly. So if in your account you see something like pending citation, then just wait a few days and the new citation should be in your account. So yeah, that is the other big thing. I think in the future, what we're trying to do is get the citations list up to like 500 or 1,000. And for all current users, it'll be the same price, but we'll just add more citations to your current business. So it'll be all free. So yeah, if you want to get in now, because I think we'll probably be increasing the prices as we add more domains to our network. But for the people that have already currently subscribed, it'll just remain the same price, and you guys will just get more citations for free. So yeah, that's the other thing. And then those were like the main features that we added this week. And then in terms of like new features, the big one that we're planning to add this week, which is the week of May 11th, is we're adding GMB updates and review automation. So one of the things is you'll be able to add your business, and then once you add your business, you'll be able to automatically reply to reviews plus post updates. And I think this will be big because it'll allow you guys to charge your clients more for all these new features that will be able to just be automated, right? So it'll be like a one-click thing where you add it and then it'll like automate all the reviews, automate all the posting. Um, we're not sure of the pricing yet, but I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna just add it as a bonus for the people that are on the growth plan. So let me show you guys that. So basically in billing, you have like the rank tracker, and then you have this one-click citations. What we're gonna do is probably add it to this thing here. So if you're subscribed to like this site local plan, you'll probably only be able to add one business automation in terms of like the reviews and the updates. But if you're on like these two plans, you'll be able to have unlimited GMB updates. We're not sure on that yet. So yeah, that's just like work in progress, but hopefully this will be launched by the end of this week. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. This is like the UI for adding the new business, and then this is like the review management, and then we're gonna have one more for post automation. So yeah, those are like the three main things that we're planning out this week. And then in terms of the last thing, just like in terms of like LocalRank's mission, which is we're building the platform to be the number one local SEO platform to help you make more money. So obviously, if you have like a local SEO agency already, or you want to make a local SEO agency, this is going to be the one-stop platform just to handle everything in terms of client fulfillment. So all you have to do is focus on selling and increasing the MRR for your agency, and then we'll handle all the rest. So that's like the goal of the platform. And then in terms of like all the other stuff, we're 100% focused on building the best product. So this is not only like the easiest to use product, but also the one that has the least amount of bugs. And then one, we're trying to like make it so that local rank is the lowest price in terms of not only rank tracker, but also all the other like features that we're planning to add. So one of our things is that we want to add as much value to the current plan as possible so that you guys can have the highest ROI in terms of like buying local rank, right? So these three things, which are best product, lowest price, and then highest ROI in terms of buying local rank and helping you guys get more clients. So yeah, these are the three main things that we're focused on. These are the features, and hopefully this week we'll add a lot more UI stuff, because I know some people have mentioned that some parts of the app is like a bit confusing in terms of like the UI UX. So we're planning to fix that. But yeah, hopefully in next week's update we will have these two features rolled out, which is the GMB post and GMB review update. So yeah,